In this course, I'm going to overview first what are the chakras, these 7 primary energy centers in your body. And then we're going to explore exactly how each one of them works. We're going to explain why each one of them is one of the 7 areas of creating your life, and how experiences when you're young and different belief systems can shut down these energy centers. And also I'm going to be showing you how to clear and how to open each one of these energy centers so it's bright and healthy and vibrant, so that part of your life can be what you want it to be. I'm going to be explaining everything I know about how each one of these chakras gets programmed in different ways. I'm going to be explaining and helping you to see how it operates in our society and how different societal groups and different events are connected to these chakras. I'm going to be explaining to you how your outer success is connected to the health of each one of these invisible yet very real energy centers in your body. And I'm going to be going through all of the different science and materials that I have that are references for you so you can more deeply understand this mysterious and awesome topic. I'm also going to be guiding you through a full guided meditation for every single one of these chakras. And the purpose of this meditation is so that you can heal, so that you can let go of those blockages and those beliefs that are holding these parts of your life back. And so you can feel that vitality and vibrancy that you deserve to feel, because we all deserve to feel our full energy body lit up, alive, and healthy. That is why I am making this course. So I'm going to be giving you all of this different knowledge that's going to be practically applicable. Nothing that I do is not practical. I am very much a believer that if spirituality has any value, it has to be useful in the real world. So far from any kind of woo-woo, ungrounded, airy-fairy stuff, this is going to be practical. This is going to be relevant to your real life, and I am excited that you're here. So in the beginning of the journey, we're going to go through what are these chakras, the chakras, what's the history, where does this knowledge even come from? Then we're going to be going through each one of the 7 chakras, and I'm going to be laying down so much information that is going to blow your mind, that you didn't even realize was actually running your life. And finally, we're going to be concluding with a session about how these chakras play out in our society, and why is it that, just to give you a few ideas, why is it that certain colors have universal color associations that link directly with the chakras? Why is every fast food sign yellow and red? Why do we associate green with grow and red means stop? Why is it that blue is a color that creates trust? All of these fascinating things I'm going to be covering at the end of the course, but I'm going to be sure that you get as much as you possibly can to apply this knowledge in your real life, out there in the 21st century, in your job, in your dating life, in your just going out and expressing yourself in the world, and things are going to make a lot more sense when we are finished with this journey.